Dear students, today we will discuss on topic energy. We know that every day we are using energy to do work. Now here we will see hydropower energy. Hydropower, that means the power which comes from the water. Okay, and we can say that the water energy also. Hydropower refers to energy, mostly electric, which is derived from water in motion. The main advantage of this form of energy is that it is clean and renewable, and it is one of the oldest sources of energy because the source of hydropower is water. Hydroelectric power plants must be located on a water source. Yes, dear students, wherever the sources of water available, there only we can plant the hydroelectric power plants, right? Hydropower plants are actually based on a rather simple concept. Water flowing through a dam turns a turbine which turns a generator. Yes, dear students, here you can see that how here the dam, so water is falling down here from a great height. Okay, so rises river level, okay, creating drop of water here. Water is falling here, and this is the turbine, right here. This is the turbine. So when the water falls on turbine, here you can see, so it turns, it rotate, okay, it rotate rapidly. So this is turned by the force of the falling water, right? And when the turbine turns, right, here this is the generator which is connected through the turbine, right? So this turbine produces electrical energy, okay, because it is connected with the turbine. When the water falls from a great height, so it rotates, okay, it starts moving, okay, and because the generator is connected with the turbine, so generator also started rotating, right? And by doing this, the electricity is produced here, right? And then it can be transmit, okay, the transmission lines are here, so it can carry electricity to homes and businesses, right? And here the reservoir of the stored water, right? So in this way we can generate electricity through the water energy, right? By using the water energy we can generate electricity, okay. Examples we can see here, that how the hydel power station are there, okay, and we are here generating electricity through water. You can see here, it was used thousands of years ago to turn a paddle wheel to grind grain. This is, but nowadays it's, there is drastic changes, right? It is modified nowadays. Now come heat energy. Heat is a form of energy. Most of the heat energy comes from burning fuels like burning coals, burning kerosene, burning petrol. Yes, dear students, most of the heat energy comes from the burning fuels. So the coals, kerosene, petrol, these all are comes under fuels, right? Now few example of heat energy we can see here. Now Light energy. Light is nature's way of transferring energy through space. Some sources of light energy are the sun, right? Examples of light energy: sun, campfire, candle, bulb. These all are the example of the light energy. Now, sound energy. This is the energy produced by making things vibrate. Yes, dear students, when any object start vibrating, the sounds come out of that object. Sound energy is transferred through the air from a source of an observer. Sound is created when an object vibrates. The object vibrates and pushes the air molecules nearby which travel as sound. Yes, dear students, you can see here the vibrating object. Okay, and this object is getting vibrate, and this vibrating air molecules are there, so which carry this vibrations to the ear of the observer, right? And then in this way we are able to hear the sound. You will study detail in higher classes about this. Now example of sound energy, you can see here: musical instruments, music system, radio. Now electrical energy. The electrical energy is the movement of electrical charges, right? Electrical charges moving through a wire is called electricity. Yes, dear students, this electric wire you can see at your home also when fitting the electricity at your house. So this electric wire is using inside of this wire the electrical charges moving, right? So it can easily transported through power lines and converted into other forms of energy. You can see here this is the power grid by which the electric charge can be transferred, right? Example of electrical energy. We can see every day we are using this electrical energy at your home, as in the form of washing machine, computer, tube light, bulb, electrical bulb. Okay, so these all are the electrical energy, example of the electrical energy. Now we will see energy conservation. Yes, dear students, the law of the conservation of the energy says that all forms of energy can be converted into other forms. Yes, previously, as I have already explained you that how the one form of energy can be converted into another form. It cannot be destroyed and not nor be created. Yes, dear students, the energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Yes, the all forms of energy can be converted into other forms. So the sun's energy through solar cells can be converted directly into electricity. You can see here nowadays we are using solar panel to convert this energy to the electrical energy, solar energy to the electrical energy, right? Energy conservation. What is energy conservation? Here we can see that the green plants, yes, you know that the green plants also converted the sun's energy electromagnetic into starch, okay, and sugars, chemical energy. You have already studied, okay, about the photosynthesis. Okay, they have that how the plants are preparing their own food by using solar energy. Okay, so this is also the example of the conservation of energy, right? So here the plants are using solar energy, okay, and carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, okay, and making their food and releasing glucose there by using water. Okay, so we can see that the green plants converted the sun's energy. In which form of energy it is converted now? The chemical energy, right? Because the glucose and starch is formed here, so this is the chemical energy. So the solar energy is converted into chemical energy through the photosynthesis, through the process of the photosynthesis, right? Now, law of energy conservation. Energy cannot be created. Yes, dear students, we cannot create any energy, right? Energy cannot be destroyed, and even we cannot destroy any energy. Yes, it can only be converted from one form to another. The total energy of an object never decreases or increases. Yes, dear students, potential energy. Here, kinetic energy, yes, potential energy converted into kinetic energy, then kinetic energy again converted into potential energy. So, we can see here that energy cannot be created and energy cannot be destroyed. It can be only converted from one form to another form, right? Thank you.